At first it was sort of like a joke, right?
I know, yeah.
But
you just get this like seed of an idea, and it's like, yeah, it's really grown and taken shape, and I am excited to see how things play out. Like, this is a fun experiment.
We have 4 people who are going to be competing in Sliced over the course of these 4 weeks. And we're going to have 3 weeks of basically what would be similar to like a regular season. And then after the 3 weeks, the top 2 people who have the most points, those 2 will go into like a 4th week championship round. You know, even in our short time together, y'all, we can crown a Sliced champion by the end of the almost month. We have our 2 contestants. They are from the community. Tony here in an RStudio notebook. Jordan, Data Dude, gonna be doing this in Google Colab. We'll be using log loss, so the lowest log loss will win tonight. They have 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, to create their model, and along the way, as they create data visualization and do different things with the data, feature engineering, they'll be able to get other points. So it's not just all about the modeling and accuracy, but it's also about how good the data viz is, which they can earn points for, whether they have stumbled upon or discovered some of these golden features, which we'll reveal to chat in a bit, and also the audience vote.
Yeah, so we are looking at a data set of speed dating data.
The object tonight is to predict this column called match. Now the match column is whether or not these people in the speed dating situation matched. Did they actually end up like being compatible and matching with each other?
All right, I think we are at 9 o'clock Eastern.
Okay.
So we have instructed our contestants to, I don't know, slice it up, yeah. Get slicing and dicing. I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna be workshopping this a little bit through the next 2 hours.
I like it. I think we do need to like figure out some catchphrases tonight. What is going on? It looks like he is already trying to create a model and do a train test split on his data set. So he's already, just jumping into the modeling side. He is saying EDA, no, doesn't matter. Let's just jump in.
Matter.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Jordan has already plotted a correlation heat map, it seems, against all the features.
Taking some notes here.
So Jordan is fast, y'all. Over on Tony's side, looks like he's checking through his data and working through some correlation stuff. I've never seen a plot like this, but this seems like it's just some sort of threshold of a correlation.
Yeah, it looks like, that might be it. Yeah, it looks like he's doing some kind of filter, perhaps. Yeah, so he's filtered the correlations with a threshold of above 0.05, and so that's really interesting.
He is sort of doing all the things that Jordan's doing, except Jordan has used sort of a heat map, and then he sorted values through his data frame, and then he created a different plot, while Tony has just done everything in a single plot. The issue here, and I hope he recognizes this, is 2 of the features that have been listed here, which I know the quality is pretty low, so you'll have to believe me, but one feature says DEC and the other feature says DECO. There's a specific set of columns that we've held out of the holdout set. So in the holdout data set, they don't have the target column, obviously, because that would be just giving them the answers. And they also don't have DEC and DECO. Now, DEC and DECO are whether or not the person decided whether it's a yes or a no for the other. Now, the reason this was also taken out is because you could just simply train a simple model, maybe not even a model, on people who said yes to each other, and that would give them the match. And this is scary. If Jordan goes down a path where he uses the DEC and DECO, then he's going to be in a world of hurt if he didn't read through that doc sheet. Let's take a look at Tony's screen, because it looks like Tony is plotting some interesting stuff here. He has a plot here that says, did the people like each other? And he has some sort of like different values going on, and I don't know exactly what these values are. This is extremely impressive from Tony, simply because he has no fear that the doc and writing doc is going to cut into any of the time for his model.
Really flexing the ggplot skills. I mean, superior data visualization capabilities to Python, and yeah, he's showing us what it can do. So.
Wow, zero bias in this statement.
Zero bias from me.
Jordan looks like he's doing something that every single person has done, which is he doesn't necessarily know what's going on with his metric and why he's getting such a high accuracy score. His rock awk right now is 1, and he doesn't know what's going on. He's probably overfitting his data, and because he's doing, and you can see right here, I see it right here. This is a problem because he's using decision and decision O.
Yep, we called it.
And if that's like, God, he needs to read the doc. We can't tell him. He's gonna be screwed when he sees that the holdout set doesn't have decision O. And that's exactly why he's getting an overfit model. He's getting an overfit model because he has those 2 features, and those 2 features literally say whether one person said like, yes, I want to see this person again, and the other person, yes, I want to see this person again. So Jordan is and he's getting the vibe. Like, you could see his log loss is 10 to the minus 16. This is effectively 0. He has 0 loss. And so in his mind, if I was Jordan right now, I would be freaking out.
He's got an hour. We're at the about like a 1 hour mark. So, he's got time. He's got time to figure this out.
He's definitely in a pit right now. Oh, and we're looking at what is going on here? Oh, we got some model tuning docs. Tony, unafraid and unashamed of Googling some docs. He looks like he's headed his way through into some model metrics. Although Jordan, oh my goodness, Jordan has loaded in the holdout data. Here we go. Oh wait, he saw it. Look, he sees it.
This could be
decision. Oh, not in the index. Yes, he sees it.
Yes.
Okay, he could fix it. Fix it. It's not impossible.
Critical moment. Yes.
He could fix it. This should be the signal. He might realize. He might realize what it is. Oh, he's doing it.
The pattern. Oh, what's the code comment gonna be?
Not in hold out. Oh God, he needs to read the doc. This is true. It's not in the holdout. Don't use it. Oh my goodness.
He said not in holdout, but he didn't say, and Nick and Meg fucked up. So this could be good.
He's gonna drop it. He's dropping it.
He's dropping it.
All right.
I wish we could see his satisfaction when he reruns his pipeline after having removed these features. He's going to be relieved. I can only imagine like how anxious he feels after spending, a significant amount of time doom scrolling.
Tony just said he's going to do a feature variance plot.
Is it happening? Are we seeing our very first golden feature?
He might get the 5 points here. Tony is going to ensemble or merge together a couple different models of his. He said he's going to do variable importance. I saw that in one of his comments there.
Apparently doesn't use like tab completion.
What?
He doesn't use kind of autocomplete. He doesn't use autocomplete when he codes. So I don't know if folks have noticed, but whenever he opens a parentheses, he has to actually like type that closed parentheses.
What?
Apparently that's something unusual about his particular coding style. So I guess he's being extremely thoughtful about every character that we're seeing here on the screen. So
what a
fun
sicko.
Fact about Tony. Yeah.
An absolute sicko.
Tony.
Look, it's a feature importance plot. He got it.
Golden feature. This is where we should have like a sound effect. Like
Rap air horn.
Yes. Here we go.
And look at this, y'all. Look at this. Fun is a little more important than being attractive, okay? Take that to the bank. He thinks he could do a knitter in 8 minutes.
And we hit an error.
Of course, because it's freaking knitter. There's no way he knits this successfully. There's no absolute way.
All right, I see a knit notebook from Tony here.
Oh my! But see, this is the thing. That's the okay. I do see the knit notebook, but he didn't do it in time. He did get it off though. That is props. It doesn't count. It doesn't count. Okay.
Wait, that was a buzzer beater. What are you talking about? Okay, it just turned 1 on my clock. We get the full 10. The full minute there.
Meg, do we just say the number right now, and then move to Tony? Is that what we should do?
For the log loss?
Yeah, for log loss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's do the reveal. This is it.
Okay. Your log loss 0.27.
Oh.
Whoa.
9. So we'll move to Tony. Your log loss 0.429. So that does mean Jordan right now gets 30 points for the modeling. However, the audience voted for Tony, so you won the audience vote.
Congrats, Tony. 10 for the audience points to Tony so far.
Okay, and then you did get a golden feature, which was feature importance plot.
That's 5 points.
And so that got you another 5 points.
So now the remaining points are me and Nick each get 15 points to distribute for data viz. So to Tony, I wanted to give 10 of my points. I really liked how you used data visualization to really, really deeply understand the data. They were just really nice plots. They had funny titles sometimes. It was great. Jordan, I want to give you 5 of my points. I thought it was really meaningful that you got right out the gate. You had the very first data viz that kept us really entertained early on in the stream. Nick, you're allocating all 15 of your points to Tony for his data visualization portion of this, which puts Tony at 40 points total, and Jordan, you're at 35 points.
So that's Jordan. You are sliced, and that means
you have been sliced.
That's Tony. You win the first sliced competition.
I don't know what this feeling is. Some emotion.
Your strategy paid off to invest a lot of time in exploring the data and creating a lot of beautiful visualizations.
I will absolutely say, and you two know this, even though tonight, Tony, you can celebrate, you both were really close. And remember, this is there's a championship week that you're both contenders for. So in week 3, when we see you two again, you have more points to gain, and perhaps you maybe see each other again. Jordan, anything?
I just want to say that I'm pretty disappointed that doom scrolling for 30 minutes does not win me the audience award. I think the most satisfying feeling is to watch another screen frantically scrolling up and down. I just want to congratulate Tony.
This has been an absolute blast. Chat has absolutely been wild all night, and this was absolutely fantastic for our first one. So you two have put on a fantastic show. Again, next week, 2 new participants, a new data set, and I hope you guys are going to come and join us then. All right, have a good night, chat.